Hey guys, Glen Murray. Welcome to Profit Stream Review. This is a killer program. You're gonna love it. We're gonna go through it all. We're gonna look at the bonuses. We're gonna look at the basically the video about what exactly Profit Stream is, and we're gonna go through the back office so you can sort of see how it looks just like in the video. There's no hidden things. Okay, first off, make sure you hit subscribe button if you like videos on basically programs on how to make money. Now remember, all of these programs, guys, that I promote on my channel, or if you get emails from me, these methods basically, or programs or systems can work very well. You have to implement them. You have to learn how they work and you have to implement them. Some of them are very simple. Some of them are just a couple of buttons and boom, it's up and running. Especially this one. This is a very cool one. So let's jump down to the bonuses because if you've been cruising around looking for the best bonuses, I'm going to give them to you. So number one, lockdown formula. We're still going through this silly pandemic thing. Guys, this is how you make money from your home. Lockdown, keeping your family safe. You just basically you can get to work. This is a great program. We're going to give that one to you. We're also going to give you Jono Armstrong's headline hacks. He's one of the number one affiliates in the world. You're going to get his headline hacks. So we're going to give that to you. We're also going to give you his Mobley course. So Mobley is how to do all of this on your phone, guys. You can do everything to grow the biggest business you want, all from the power of your phones. It's got to be a smartphone, of course. And then Nova, this is how to make a ton. And this is the full program, guys. All the upsells, everything, but you got to get in the first 12 hours. And you're going to be able to get Nova, the whole thing. And basically it is it's how to really make a ton of money off of TikTok and every strategy involved in making TikTok work for you. And of course, we've asked the vendor to put together a special bonus package for our buyers. So you're going to get a special bonus from the vendor, which you're not going to get from any other place. So those are the bonuses, guys. Let's pop over. Let's watch the video. We're gonna watch the video. Here's the back office, guys. But let's watch the video, and then as soon as the video's over, I'm gonna jump on. It's only like a 2-minute video. You'll see exactly how it works. Then we'll go into the back office, and I'll show you what I really like about this program. If you just want to jump ahead and grab it, just go grab it because I know you're gonna get it after you see the power of this thing because it is pretty friggin' cool. Especially if you're watching this on YouTube. Keep your eyes peeled to how you're looking at my channel on YouTube and how this thing works. Okay, guys, let me play the video for you, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Welcome to the support and training page here on Profit Stream. In this video, we're going to be going over what Profit Stream is and how you can get started. So Profit Stream is a fantastic video website creator that builds sites full of the best content with a variety of monetization built in and around the site. So let's take a look at one of the sites. Here you can see we've got a very familiar look to the site, and you can see that there is loads of amazing content that viewers will want to watch and absorb the information. Okay, then we've got these monetization elements. We've got banner ads. We've got a subscribe button here, which is actually an opt-in. So there's list building. Okay, we've got these tabs here, and the second one is recommended. So here you're able to promote one specific product. Okay, this could be a high ticket product. It could be low ticket. Okay, it could be just a product that you specifically want to funnel people towards. Then you've got the individual videos. Okay, and then clicking through to an individual video, what you'll see is straight away we've actually got an ad playing on the video. Okay, so this is an ad that we have chosen, a video that we have chosen. You can see there's a call to action here, and you can click the skip to avoid watching this video. Okay, but as I say, here's the call to action. Here is the button that goes to an affiliate link. But if we click skip, it actually starts playing the video in question that they have selected. Okay, likewise, we've got an opt-in button again here. And on the right-hand side, we've got a variety of other ads which promote other products that you can select. Okay, so this is the setup of Profit Stream. Beneath this video, there will be all of the tutorials that show you step by step how to set up these sites or take advantage of the pre-created ones. If you require any further advice and help, Make sure you watch all of those videos. Alternatively, jump back to the dashboard and you can find help under help where you can communicate directly with the support team. Okay, so thanks very much. Good luck.
All right, guys, that is pretty cool. Now, did you notice what that looked like? Looked pretty much like a YouTube channel, didn't it? All right, let's pop over to the sales page. Now, here it is. This is the sales page here. Let me just get my windows out of the way for my recording stuff. Okay, 3-click done for you system pays us $39 every time we copy and paste one secret link. So basically, guys, they're putting where you saw that ad go in front of that video. And remember, you're not making those videos. Those videos are being curated from YouTube. They're being put on the page, and then your ad, your affiliate link ad is being put on top of that. Just like how YouTube monetizes their videos and people can put ads on them, you're going to be creating a YouTube-like environment where you're able to actually put your ads, your affiliate link ads right on top of it. So pretty cool stuff. This guy has made a ton of money. This is by Glen. He's one of the top affiliate marketers out there. So basically, this stuff works, guys. That is the sales page. Let's jump over to the back office here, so you can see we were talking about that one. Here it is here. This is the demo page, as you can see, recommended. And now remember, it would be yours, guys. This isn't someone else's. This is yours. When they click here, they're going to be clicking onto your affiliate link. And if you don't understand how affiliate marketing works, let's just really make it simple for you guys. You go to an affiliate broker house, basically JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Commission Junction, there's Pay Kickstart. There's a ton of them out there. There's so many. Anyway, the main ones, if you're in the make money online niche, is JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. Now, what you do is you become a member for free, and you go look at products and you request to be an affiliate for that product, just like you'd get a link from Amazon. Now, once you have that affiliate link, you're able to put it in places, especially like this, and get people to go through and then purchase that product. When they purchase that product, you make a commission. It goes into your back office in whichever platform that affiliate is, or that vendor is using. And then once you get to a threshold of $20, $50, $100, you get paid out. Or some of them have a 14-day hold or 30-day hold because there's sometimes refunds. And that's how it works. So what's happening here, when you click on it, when someone comes here and they click here, they're going to subscribe to your email list. If they click a banner here, they're going to go to your affiliate link, right? It looks very YouTube-like, guys. I really love this. This is a great product. Having a whole bunch of pages like this, think about it, guys. You can do in any niche you want. You want baking, you want woodworking, you want weight loss, you want dating, you want home remedy stuff. You could make these for anything and have it all based around those. So the more you make, the more content you make, the more you're going to make online. So that's it. It's very cool. It works it's easy. It's simple. It is just a couple of clicks and boom, they're done. There's no real building for it because it's all basically done for you. So let's jump over to the actual the product here, and we're going to look at the front end and what you're going to buy. So the front end one is the profit stream, and let's see if I can get the discount to pop up here. There you go, $2 off. So instead of $19, it's going to be $17. So it's $19 here. It's $17. Basically, it's going to be $17. Okay, so the unlimited, remember, you just scroll off the page and that thing will pop up. Now, the unlimited version, I always say, get the unlimited version, right? You will get it for a downsell of $37 if you do the swipe off the page thing. Now, you definitely want the unlimited version, guys. Always grab the unlimited version because you unlock so much more of the platform with the unlimited version. And you don't want to buy it at a later time because you usually pay more for it. Now, upsell number 2 is done for you. And this, again, these are always the 3 I recommend getting, guys. On any software I buy these 3. I buy the front end, I buy the unlimited, I buy the done for you. It's just easier for the done for you. Get someone to set it up for you. And look at that, for the done for you, a lot of times the done for you is about $100 or $200. This is $47 on the downsell. All right, next we have unlimited traffic. Unlimited traffic is just going to be, they're going to put a pixel on their sales page. So if you're using retargeting ads and that's something you want to do, Automation is going to have, they're going to be able to do some automating where it'll just be easier to set up. That's a $37 one. ATM, I'm not sure what the ATM is. The ultimate, that's probably going to be a email campaigns, I would imagine. The ultimate, again, I don't know. You have to look at the sales page on that one. But again, here's another one. License rights, guys. This will pay you, I believe he's giving away 100% commission. So you think about it. You get profit stream, right? You buy these three for what is it, 17, 37, 47, 54, for $100, guys. And so $137, you buy the license rights. So you go and build out one of your first sites, you send traffic to it, and someone comes along and they buy the front end, the unlimited, the done for you, and the license rights themselves. Your whole system is paid for, guys, in one swoop. Done. It's paid for because you have the license right. You're making 100% commissions. So one sale, and they go through and they buy those four products. Boom, all yours are paid for. Next guy comes along, buys the 17, buys the 37, buys the 47. Maybe they don't know about this downsell. Maybe they're buying the front end 67. They're buying the 97. They're buying the 97 because they don't know the trick that I just taught you about scrolling off the page. All of a sudden you're in great profit, and all you got to do is keep promoting these, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, and basically with the unlimited version, guys, I think you're going to be able to build as many pages as you want, and like I said, just keep building pages. So that is basically a profit stream. I give it 2 thumbs up. I love these programs. I like that it looks very much like YouTube, very convincing. People are going to go there and go, wow, this is a great video place. They're going to click through the videos. They're going to see your ads. This is where all, there's ads are on Facebook and ads are on Instagram and ads are on YouTube because they work. They're right in front of people that are looking for that content, and then an ad comes on which catches their eye and says, this is even easier, and boom, you're gonna make those sales. So go ahead and grab profit streams, get all my bonuses, and say, you know what? And guys, if this isn't for you, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, click through to my bonus page, go to the bottom, and don't go away empty-handed, guys. Grab my free 6-figure blueprint checklist. Make sure you download that. That's going to show you exactly what I do on a daily basis. And also, right below the video here on YouTube, there's my #1 online business. Go check it out. There's a little challenge in there to see if you've got what it takes to be an affiliate marketer. Highly recommend you go through it, pay attention, learn, and you will do awesome. All right, guys, that's it for me. This has been the Profit Stream review, demo, and bonuses. And you know what? Click my link and you're going to get it for the best price. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.